Back at it again with another new Outre unit, you guys. Cute little tight curls, girl. You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. Seafarer, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free. At least inside my mind, there's no confines from what I seek or what I speak. A bit of peace to let my mind at ease. And music's all I need, a little comical relief. Grief comes in waves, so maybe that's why y'all been drowning. Smiles to the world, but in your bathroom you are frowning. Down in the uppers for supper just to feel down again. I know you're lost, but ain't no shame in getting found again. Fuck synthetic happiness, the ultimate deception. I'd rather feel alive even if swimming in depression. Cause I never wanna lose myself to the power of possession. No materialistic things that seem to lead you to aggression. Yeah, what am I protecting? What you been neglecting? I'm talking sense of self, I know my presence is a present. Elevation is my favorite type of antidepressant. Even through life's devastation, know my vibes illuminescent.
You keep rowing your boat, you and I just spending my mode. Seafarer, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats. Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit. This is from the Outre collection. I'm wearing this in the style Claribel and the color number 2. So let's just pop right into the specs of this unit. So this unit does come with your typical cap construction, your 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does come pre-plucked with HD lace as well as with baby hairs. Now this is a singular left side part, you guys. This lace part is 5 inches deep. The hairline is, it's alright, like it's pretty good. I feel like I wish it was plucked a little bit more. So I feel like as far as the hairline is concerned, this one's just okay for me. The density on this unit, this is everything to the front, so this one definitely is on the fuller side. If I had to guess, I want to say it's about 150 to 180%. Straight out of the pack, the curls were tighter together, so I want to say then the density felt way closer to 150%, but I did finger comb them out a little bit, so it just wasn't as perfect. And girl, you can see the body. This is given all sorts of volume. So the length on this unit, I really like the length. It's more on the natural side. It comes just to my boobs, and I'm 5'3" for reference. So I do like that length a lot, and as you can see, they kind of got some like longish layers going on there. The texture on this unit is feeling like a medium to soft yaki. It was softer straight out of the box, but the more I finger combed it, it's starting to kind of get more of a medium yaki texture, which I really don't mind. I did, like I said, finger comb this unit, and I didn't get much tangling or shedding, so that was definitely really good. You guys, this unit is also heat safe up to 400 degrees, so definitely keep that in mind. So the cap on this unit is coming off small and medium head friendly. As far as big head friendly is concerned, I would definitely stay on the side of caution, just because, like I always tell you guys, my head is on the smaller size. It's about 21.5 to 22 inches, and it's fitting my head pretty snug. I only adjusted the straps a little bit, but it's already fitting my head pretty snug. So I do feel like if you do have a large size head, this one possibly could be an issue for you, so definitely keep that in mind if this is one that you do plan on picking up. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. So I don't know, I feel like my only con, which is really not really a big con, is that I don't necessarily like the fact that it's kind of flat up here. I kind of like when my curly units are like curly all around versus it being flat right next to the parting space and then curls. It's definitely personal preference. I know some of you guys do like that look and you are into that look, so like I said, it's a personal preference, but I just kind of prefer my curly hairs to start closer to the root. Even if it started a little bit closer, I feel like I would like it a little bit more. And another con that I have is also with the parting. The fact that it's straight does make me think that you could wear this unit shiftable and wear it as a middle part, but just the placement of the combs is a little strange. Of course, you get one of the combs that's right next to the parting space, which is right here, and then the other comb is on this part, so it would be a little difficult to shift and it'd sit kind of probably weird on your head, but just the way that it's cut and everything makes me think that you could possibly get away with it. But the con that I have about the parting space is I don't like the fact that it's straight like this. I feel like with side parts, it makes it look more realistic when the part actually curves, so I kind of wasn't here for that. But honestly, those are probably my only two cons with this unit. My pros on this unit are I do like the look of it. The curl pattern is very beautiful. The texture feels nice. I do like the fact that it's pretty plucked at the beginning. Like, you could definitely go in there and do some work, but I feel like they did just enough that you can actually get away with wearing this without looking crazy. This is definitely one that's going to be beginner friendly. I feel like this is not necessarily going to be a special occasion unit, but it's not necessarily going to be an everyday unit, so it's definitely falling somewhere in the middle for me. Would I get it again? Probably not, just because I feel like a lot of units look like this, and I probably would prefer it, like I said, if the part was curved. But that's honestly pretty much all I'd say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up and any of the colors, and until then I hope to see you soon. Bye.